bakers at a bakery can make 160 bagels in 4 hours. How many bagels can they bake in 16 hours? What is the rate per hour? So this question is trickier because it has 2 questions, not only one. So what we know is they can make 160 bagels, that's B, in 4, I'm going to write HR for hours. So the question is, how many bagels can they bake in 16 hours? What's the rate per hour? So to find out the rate per hour, we have to divide 160 by 4. 160. This is just a division practice. So this one, 4 for 16. There's no more, 40. So that's the rate. 40 rate. Which means if they can make 160 bagels in 4 hours, this means that they can make only 40 bagels in 1 hour. Now, we need to see how much they can bake in 16. How many bagels can they bake in 16 hours? The rate is 40 bagels in 1 single hour, so you have to multiply 16. When we learned multiplication, this is a trick that you can do. So 16, we put the 4 here, 0 here, so we don't really have to deal with the 0. So we just put the 0 down here, multiple 6, 4, 24, 1, 4 is 4, plus 2 is 6. 640, they can make 640 bagels in 16 hours. And the rate of how many bagels they can make per hour is 40. Cans of green. Number 6. You can buy 5 cans of green beans at a supermarket for $3.40. $3.40. How much does it cost to buy 35 cans of green beans? So 5 cans of green beans for $3.40. The question is, how many does it cost? How much money does it cost to buy 35 cans? So the first step we need to do is find out how much 1 can equals. So we have to do $3.40 divide 5, 0. So 5 divide 3, 0, because we can't do it anymore. So, but 34, that's good. So we have to do 6, 5. 30 minus equals 40, and 5, 8, 40 minus 0. So we got 0.68. Now we need to do multiple 35. So we know how much. So we know how much it gets to 35 cans. 0.68 35 multiple 5, 8, 40 5, 6 equals 30 plus 4 equals 34 5, 0 equals 0 plus 3 is 3. 340. 3, 8. So I have to add a 0. 3, 8, 24. 4, 2. So 3, 6, 18 plus 2 equals 20. 0, 3 is 0, 3 is 0 plus 2 is 2 plus these two 0 4 plus 4 equals 8 3 2 2,380 and we have to move up the point up 2 and right here 23.8. This equals 23.80 cents, but to make it officially money, we have to add the dollar sign. So number 7, the ratio of boys to girls is 2 to 3. If there are 18 boys in the class, how many girls are in that class? So we know that ratio O B 2. I did boys to girls by writing that. And now 18. If there were 18 boys in class, then how many girls in class? So we know that the ratio is 2 to 3. And 2 is boys. So 2 ratio 3 equals to 18 ratio X. So we see that 2, 9 is 18 because of this. So we see that the pattern is, if this would equal, remember in fractions, these are kind of fractions. So remember fractions, if you want a fraction to equal to another fraction, then you have to multiply by the top and bottom the exact same thing. So 2 got multiplied 9 to equal 18. So 3 multiplied 9 equals X. So 2, quotation mark 3, is equal to 18, 3, 9, 27. Ratio of red marbles to blue marbles is 3 quotation mark 4. And it was in a bag. If 42 marbles are in the bag, how many marbles are red? So the steps to this are, first, we need to find out the information we know. Ratio to be 3, 4. If there were 40, the question is, if 42 marbles were in the bag, how many marbles would be red? So this is red, this is blue. So this, we have to do 3, 4, but then we have to find out the total. So we have to do 3 plus 4 is just 7, and we still want to figure out the red, so 3 will still stay on the top. equals to 42 is the total, so it'll be on the bottom. And x, which is the unknown number, will be on the top. So we see this. Remember that if you have a fraction and you want it to be equal to another fraction, you have to multiply the top and bottom by the same number. So you see that 42, 7, 6, 42. So you have to multiply the top by 6 as well. So 3, 6, 18. So x equals to 18. So that means the amount of red marbles that would be in the bag would be 18.